Hello, 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 hello. Loves you is back. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, maglibod maglaag kita diri sa we are here at in Carrascal Bay Walk. So, today mag-opening sila for the Kusina Carrascalano. Kusina, or in English it's kitchen. So the Pahinungod Festival will be happening next week, and before that mag-open sila pag-una ng Kusina Carrascalan, the biggest kusina, because it is located at the Carrascal Bay Walk. So ayan, nandiyan kita diri kuman naglibod-libod. We are here wandering around. So they have barbecues. So it is kusina. So expect of the foods. So amazing Carrascal. They have different activities also for the Pahinungod Festival. So before that, maglag-lag ani kita diri sa ila Boulevard of Broken Dreams sa Baywalk ng Carrascal. So ayan, amin nila, ila, they have a mini park here sa ila Baywalk. And look at the ocean. Look at the water. Oh my God. Grabe ka clear, guys. Why waves kasi do? Why bayud? You see that? The water is very clear. Super, super nice na mag-swim. Just very peaceful. See that? Peaceful, peaceful water. Time check, 5:30 p.m. So expect that medyo dark siya, a little bit dark because it's getting dark nighttime. So that's why the color of the video is like this. But you can still see the beauty. See? Ang nice ng beach nila, ang linis. So they are preparing now for the people to come to dine or enjoy or drink with the friends, loved ones, families. Sali na, magsuri-suri kita sa Carrascal. Long sandy beach nila, guys. You can see, malinis. And also, meron din sila dito ang mga uh, pwede ka dito mag-ukay-ukay. May mga paninda din dito, guys, ng gaya ng para sa mga fiesta. May mga carnival, mga tinda-tinda. So, ayan. Pwede ka dito mag-shopping or bumili ng mga damit, sapatos, ayan. Gala-gala lang tayo, ikot-ikot lang tayo. So sa Pahinungod pala nila, maraming guests. Andyan yung Rocksteady, yung band ni Elias TV, and oh my God, this ice cream. I like it. I tried it before and I like it. So here I am now, buying again, trying again, charot. Pero masarap talaga siya, guys. Masarap. Kakaano, no? Yung mixture. Like they're going to heat it a little. So I don't know what you call that process, but that's the mixture. So, ayan. Ang pinili ko is dark chocolate with the almond for 70 pesos for the regular. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. So, I think it's ready. So, ayan. Kinukuha na niyo, guys. Matikman na natin yan. Matitikman. Pero talagang nasarapan ako dati. Lami-lami gid siya. Lami gid siya, bay. Lami. Mas lami pa sa imong uyab. It's so yummy. Yummy than your loved ones. What? I don't know. Just whatever. But yeah, it's really good. I like it than the normal ice cream. You see that? Oh my God, it's beautiful. Ayan, kain-kain muna tayo guys. Kaon. Kaon anay ta. Kay unya magtagay kita. We're looking for somebody that can tagay. Cheers. But anywho, if you remember, if you watch my video before, this truck was here also before. I videoed that also. It's in my compilations of videos. So I really like it. A little cute jeepney became a food truck where you can dine, where you can stay upstairs. Diba? The idea is very cool. It's a traveling food truck, jeepney. And there's a rooftop. Wow, I like it. How I wish I can have one with a jeepney. I really like a jeepney. And so this is now, we are in the middle of the food stalls, food market. So we have barbecues and also we can play here. I won 50 pesos at first, but nabawi ra gyapon. So waya na nakatagsugal guys. Huwag ka nang sumugal kapag ka hindi sure, 'di ba? So alright. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and hope to see you again on my next video. Loves you.